Island woman who became a U.S. citizen nearly 2 decades ago claims she was illegally held behind bars twice because law enforcement thought she was in the country illegally.
Now she's suing state and federal officials for violating her civil rights, but the defendants want the lawsuit dismissed.
Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly joins us live from federal court with the Providence Mobile Newsroom.
Yes, a judge heard arguments today in a lawsuit brought against federal immigration officials and state prison officials involving the constitutional rights of a North Providence woman. Lawyers for the American Civil Liberties Union are arguing that officials at the Federal Immigration and Naturalization Service, known as ICE, and officials at the state prison in Cranston, not once but twice kept Ada Morales of North Providence locked up illegally as a possible illegal immigrant. The ACLU lawyers say she was born in Guatemala but was naturalized as a U.S. citizen back in 1995. They say she was taken into custody on unrelated criminal charges, and that even after a judge ordered her released on those charges, she was held for an additional 24 hours because of a detainer issued by ICE.
You need to have a warrant or you need to have probable cause in order to detain someone, and neither of those was present in this case. All of those records are somewhere in DHS databases, and we don't know why they didn't find them or they failed to look adequately, but they didn't do a very proper search, and they issued a detainer regardless.
Why do you suspect they didn't go to those databases? What's at the root of this, in other words?
Sloppiness, I think. ICE doesn't really care.
We reached out to the Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency, but ICE tells us it doesn't comment on pending litigation. A judge is expected to rule in this case sometime in the next couple of months. Live at Federal Court with the Providence Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.